So this is my Canvas course. Here's my home page with my course information and my information and my cute baby. Here's some office hours. This link right here takes you to my teacher portfolio. And I think it opens in a different window. I think that's, yeah, I don't know. And you can email me. I have my syllabus. And this is just all of the assignments that I have. This is from past course that I had, and then this one is from this course, I guess. But there we go. There's all my things. Most of them don't have due dates because I haven't actually published them yet. So I have some outcomes. I think were they not listening? These are for my ELD kids, so they have listening standards, reading standards, speaking standards, and writing standards, and I'm going to put them all in there. These ones I can't download because they are WIDA standards, and I have to figure out how I'm going to add those together. But comprehending text details, here's one outcome, and I have them on a 5-point scale. And then here's comprehending figurative language. We are doing a poetry unit right now. And speaking, we have recognizing voiced sounds and then voiceless sounds. It's one of the first standards of the English language development class. And then some writing outcomes, I would include those as well. I have the modules, I just don't have any of them published yet. So here's my modules. These are the only things I have available to students, these ones right here, because I don't want them to get confused. They have a hard enough time navigating English as it is, and so then just adding more confusion for them to, I think just going straight from the modules is the best way to do it. So I have all of them also set that they have prerequisites. So they can't do this module until they've done this one. So I like to start with using Canvas and teaching them how to use the site because I found out that most of my students have never had a teacher that uses Canvas before. Most teachers at Bingham happen to be totally against anything new that is technological and fight it like a virus. So we're pioneers here. This is chapter 0, so this is before we even start the content, the very first module that the students the first year in my class will be doing, and just because we're starting at square one, and this tells you, it's like the story of the Green Bay Packers coach. Pretty cool. When he just told his football players, like, this is a football, and they were like, yeah, you're dumb, but they turned out to be like a great team and all this cool stuff. And then the awareness test fits into that too. And then we start with sounds and letters, give them some lessons, tell them what's going on, and then some lessons, and then practice. And same thing here. And I would probably add some quizzes and things in here. So like the prerequisite here, they would have to do this one before they could do this one. And here's a list of assignments that are just in my thing. Discussions I would have here. Here's what is your experience with online learning and why do we need to know the rules of English? I don't know how to delete things off of my, I tried to delete all the stuff from my first Canvas course, but I couldn't figure it out, so I just unpublished it. Here's some quizzes. So I don't know how to get to the question bank from here. Oh, there it is, question banks. All of mine are in Harry Potter names. I only have 5 questions, so sorry if that doesn't get me all points, but the assignment was 5 questions, and so I only did 5, and I'm not going to redo it because I'm not going to actually give this quiz. But, you know, here's what's Hermione's last name, and I don't remember, yeah, here's the questions. This one had, I'd have to go into the quiz to know what that said. Oh, here, question details. There we go. And this is a matching one. And then here's middle name. Ron's name, Harry's best friends. Anyway, badges. I tried to do this, but I could never get the badges thing to work for my computer. I tried like 3 different times. So I guess that's why it's extra credit, because it doesn't work. And then I have my quizzes, right? Oh, I already did that. And then Newsela, I always have that. I use it for my English language learners because it has all of their, you can do the different Lexile levels, and there's just so much different things, like so many different things that they can do that they're interested in. Yeah, I think that is it for my Canvas course. Hooray! Back to home.